Hey everyone, welcome to Quocario Tutoring. Today, I will show you 6 mental math strategies that you can teach your child at home. Number 1 is counting on strategy. For example, we have a question of what is 4 plus 3 equal. First, teach your child to start with the bigger number, and then count on the number added. For example, say 4, and count on 5, 6, 7. The answer is 7. This strategy works well with number lines. Your child can start by using the number line first and then do it mentally. With the bigger numbers, your child can count on by 10. For instance, we have 34 plus 15 equal. To solve this problem, start with 34. Then count on by 10, so 44. Continue to count on 45, 46, 47, 48, 49. Number 2 is the Make 10 strategy. How to solve 8 plus 4 using the Make 10 strategy. Here is the strategy. You can break a number apart to make a 10 with another number. For instance, we know 8 is missing a number partner is 2. To make a 10, we know 4 is a whole. We know one part is 2. What is the other part? 2. So we broke apart 4. Now, if 8 plus 2 equal 10, we can easily add 10 and 2, which makes 12. Look, we broke apart, and we made a 10, which showed how 8 plus 4 equal 12. The next strategy is nearly double. It's useful when adding numbers that follow each other. You will double the smaller number, then add one more. For example, we know 25 plus 26 is the same as 25 plus 25 plus 1. Use the knowledge of double facts. We know 25 plus 25 equal 50, and 50 plus 1 equal 51. Strategy number 4 is using pairs to 10. Try this strategy when adding numbers that have pairs to 10. For example, 2 plus 8 equal 10, or 6 plus 4 equals to 10, or 5 plus 5 equals to 10. Let's solve 62 plus 28 using pairs to 10 strategy. We know 2 plus 8 equals to 10 and 60 plus 20 equal 80. Then 10 plus 80 equal 90. Strategy number 5 is partitioning. This strategy can be used when involving large numbers. We split them into smaller units to make them easier to work with. Let's solve 39 plus 68. We know 39 equals to 30 plus 9, and 68 equals to 60 plus 8. 30 plus 60 equal 90. 9 plus 8 equals to 17. As a result, 90 plus 17 equal 107. Strategy number 6 is compensation for 8 and 9. Try this strategy when adding or subtracting a number that has an 8 or 9 in the ones place. Add 9 equal add 10 and subtract 1. Add 8 equal add 10 and subtract 2. Let's solve 54 plus 9. This is the same as 54 plus 10 equals 64, and 64 minus 1 equals 63. Now you've equipped 6 mental math strategies to help your child establish a deeper understanding of mathematical operations and calculations. Without efficient mental strategies, children can often struggle to quickly and fluently calculate. Remember, patience and practice are key. Encourage your child to apply these strategies in their daily lives, making math a part of their routine and watching them thrive. Thank you for watching and see you next time.